In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Acuity Scheduling account with your Facebook business and Instagram, making it easier to manage your appointments and social media presence seamlessly. This integration allows you to harness the power of social media while maintaining organized scheduling, streamlining your operations like never before. First, ensure you've logged into your Acuity Scheduling account. You can do this on your preferred browser by visiting the Acuity website and entering your credentials in the designated fields. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It can help make the process smoother. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll notice a menu with several options, each designed to make your scheduling experience efficient and comprehensive. From this menu, you'll want to locate the Integrations option. Click on it. That's your gateway to connecting Acuity with a variety of apps, allowing for a more unified digital experience. Inside the integrations dashboard, your next task is to find the Facebook business and Instagram option. This is the feature we need to focus on for today's integration. Once located, click on Set Up. This action will initiate the next steps necessary for connecting your accounts. The next crucial phase involves connecting to Facebook. You'll see a button labeled Connect to Facebook. Go ahead and click it. At this stage, you'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account. Enter your login details and make sure to grant all necessary permissions. These permissions are essential for Acuity to sync effectively with your Facebook and Instagram accounts, ensuring a seamless flow of information between these platforms. Once connected, you will be presented with the option to select a Meta Business Suite. This selection is crucial as it determines which business account you'll be linking with Acuity. Carefully choose the Meta Business Suite that aligns with your goals and click Continue. This will finalize the account you're integrating, allowing for a coherent connection across your scheduling and social media profiles. Finally, be sure to follow any additional prompts that appear. These remaining steps are the final touches needed to complete the connection process. Each prompt will guide you through any last adjustments, ensuring everything is perfectly set up. Once you're done, your Acuity Scheduling account will successfully integrate with your Facebook business and Instagram, enabling enhanced management and a broader online presence. Thank you for watching today's video. Following these steps will allow your business to enjoy more streamlined operations and improved connectivity across your essential platforms. Don't forget to check back often for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further clarification. Remember, connecting your digital tools is a step toward greater productivity and organizational success.